Now this right here is my Indigo iBook clamshell, which has had a keyboard that's been falling off because of when I took this keyboard off, I managed to accidentally rip the metal frame off 3 years ago. So now my iBook's keyboard has been like this for 3 years now, and it's also kind of yellowed. So I ordered this keyboard for an iBook G3 off of eBay, which I'm hoping fits. I know this isn't the exact color match, but it is the best I could find for a reasonable price. So without further ado, I'm going to go and cut to a time lapse where I take the old keyboard off and put the new one in. I'll get back to you once I'm done. Well, as it turns out, this iBook keyboard is actually for an iBook G3 Snow and not a clamshell. So, however, the only problem with that is that the pins were really hard to line up. So, as a result, I might have accidentally broken this keyboard, which is great for me because that means I'll have to use a USB keyboard. But let's see if this works. And it's booting. Come on, moment of truth here. Okay, I'm not getting any input response from the keys. This is bad news. Okay, the trackpad's still working. Okay, I have really bad feelings about this. So it's booted. Does the keyboard work? So let's go into Finder. Applications. Text edit, yes, this is a good one. Yep, this is toast. Great. I love this. Not really. Okay, I'm going to have to figure out what to do about this since I don't really feel like lining up the pins back together, but at the same time, I think I'll inevitably have to buy another keyboard from the UK and spend another at least $45 and wait 3 more weeks. So as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Family, and peace out.